Hi. So, if you want to know what to do about making these cool backdrops, here is how I've been doing it. I made a Google slide. Okay, so here you see I'm in the Google Slides program, and I have just over here I have this image. So this is a GIF. So what I've been doing is like I just go onto, let me see, let me just pull up a Google thing here. Google. So you can just search in the search bar here, and a GIF rainbow sparkle, right? And then I have all of these different kinds of GIFs. I'm gonna click images, and I can scroll through this way. You can also do this, you can search for them in the Google Slides as well, but I like to see them bigger, so this makes it easier for me to see. Plus, some of them don't actually move, so you want to make sure you find ones that you like that actually move. Once you find it, you can, let's find a cool one. Oh, it's pretty, it's like Rainbow Bright. Okay, so I'm going to save this, and you can do any backdrop, obviously, so I like rainbow sparkles because obviously I'm art. But if you guys just want to do like simpler stuff, I don't know, look up stars or shapes, or even like, you could do things like, I saved a color wheel, right? So I could just have a color wheel in the background, so I could actually use it for instruction too. So I can be like, okay, what's the complementary color of orange, right? So then they can see behind me and know what I'm talking about. We save it there. Then I would go back over here. I create a new slide, insert, image, upload, and there it is. So you can see I started saving a bunch of these GIFs. So obviously it's too small, you want to drag it as big as you can to fit that entire area, and then you would click present. Now, the thing is, obviously you see me, I'm turning my head quite a bit, and that is because you have to hit function F1 and do the extend. So on your laptop, you have to hit function F1. I think that's it, isn't it? Oh no, Windows F1, sorry. Windows F1, and it shows you all your different options. So you have screen only, duplicate, where it has the double screen. So while you're setting up, while you're setting up, if you have the mirrored image, then you can see at least what you're working with, but then you can't work on here directly. So if I'm on a virtual call, obviously I need to use extend so that I can have it up on the board. Now, when you do extend, you're going to see that it's just Windows up here. You have to take the tab. You have to take the tab, and you have to drag it to the next window. See? And then you would click present. And you see, what do you notice about this?
It's not moving.
It's not moving. So that happens a lot. Sometimes GIFs will be moving in one thing and then they don't in another. So you want to find ones that move. The best way to do that is to avoid what I did, which is Google search, and actually do the searching. I'm going to do this Windows duplicate so I can see what I'm working with again. So I can go File. Oh, no, sorry. I'm going to add a new one here. Get these blocks out of here. And then I'm going to insert, and then I can go image, and it just says search the web. So I can go over here and I can say rainbow GIF. Right? And then, ooh, look at all these kind of things.
Oh boy.
And it looks like they're really focusing on the hurricane
Hurricane.
that's going on right now. So let's say sparkle background. You could do sparkle BGD for background, GIF. Not fun. Let's see. Sparkle GIF. Yeah. There we go. Ooh, that's fun. Click insert.
Ooh.
Ooh, that's so satisfying. Right? So
Yeah.
I click present, and now I have this as my cool background, right? So it loops. You can use videos too, like YouTube if you wanted to. You
Okay.
can put them up. The only thing is, obviously, you deal with ads, right? Pausing and stopping, there's sound. So it becomes more distracting. So I like just having a loop. So I just like
Okay.
to grab the GIFs and have it loop so it's a consistent loop.
And then you hit I usually do
Yeah.
Windows P, I think, which then opens up your options and you did extend,
Yes.
right? Okay.
So you have to do the extend. So right now I have a duplicate so I can see what's up there.
Right.
And then I can just hit the Windows F1 again, and I can just, do
There we go.
extend. And then I would just drag it back over there. You gotta drag it every time, which is kind of annoying, but ta-da, there it goes. See?
Yep.
So I'm gonna just do a duplicate for now. Windows, duplicate. So as you can see, I have all the, I have the color wheel. So I was going to you can do slides, right? So hi, welcome to Mrs. A's virtual art class. Today we're gonna be discussing just introductory things, blah, blah, blah. Who loves sticky slime? Raise your hand. Right? Or tap your nose, or make a silly face if you like that, So those are different things we could do to get interaction. After you show that one, it could say, anybody know what complementary colors are? Anybody? What do you think the complementary color of yellow is?
Purple.
Raise your hand if you're wearing a shirt that's the complementary color of yellow. So things like this could be a lot of fun, right? So then they see it back here and they go, oh! So the main thing is lighting too. So yes, I got my backdrop on. I have all lights on. I'm curious to see how it actually looks right now. When I use lighting, I like using this. Amazon has a lot of those little clip-on lights that you can use too. The little face lights. So there's a stand I saw that's on sale right now too for $20 or so. But you can just use standard lamps. I know a lot of us have these in our classroom already. Plop it in front of your face. I usually like to turn off one of the rows of lighting that's by me because this makes it pop more because
Right.
it's bright. So it's using light and you want to make sure that there's a balance between you and the backdrop and that this actually can be seen on the screen because there's a lot of stuff going on there.
Okay.
So lighting is important. Making sure you have light on your face directly, and it will bounce. You'll see some reflection. It's not terrible though. It's manageable. So, but it is, I think, kind of a cool addition, and it's interchangeable, which is fun, than just doing a standard painted backdrop, which those are fun too. You can do, like I did, I used the giant cardboard pieces. You want to make sure it fits your screen size. Wrapping paper, wallpaper, even sitting behind your bulletins, we could do that as well. But yeah, I've always used Google Slides in the classroom. I think they're super fun. And this is a great way to keep them interested in looking at your screen. Bitmoji, I don't know if you guys know too, you can do the extension on the Chromebook. So you can, up here I have Bitmoji extensions. So it says get started. Da-da-da. Didn't enter the correct email address. That's interesting. I did. Okay. I don't remember what password I just changed it to. Okay. I'm logged in now. So I can use this for Gmail, for Chrome. You can add it into your Google Slides. So here's a character. Boom, there I am, click and drag. So I don't know if most people are aware of the extension, but I think it's pretty awesome. So that's something you just look up, Bitmoji Chrome extension. And there it is, and you install it, and then you need to get your password and your login, and then it'll shoot you right in there.
Okay.
I don't think you can actually change your avatar in the extension. You have to use it by your phone. But you can just drag and drop, which is so much easier than trying to save the image and do all those other things.
Okay.
I think that's it.
Okay.
Unless any
Bye-bye.
questions for Chantilly?
So not only with the background stuff, but just interacting, it's really important to use our hands and talk and smile and do all the things we normally do in class anyway, but really emphasize it through a screen. So props are huge, right? So you always want to have things handy. Yay! Oh my gosh, yes, you. All right, you know, I have a bright idea. I have lots of different headbands that you're a busy bee. All right, lots of headbands, lots of things to keep them interested. Props. Huge. Remember that the screen is backwards, so everything is mirrored, so you can't read things unless you hold it backwards, right? Unless you hold it backwards. So also noise attention. So I know we use bells a lot of the time to sit at a slant in the younger classes, and it's still effective in a virtual classroom. So using a noisemaker can tell the students, hey, you need to focus, right? So these are still helpful. I used them a lot when I was teaching for VIP Kid. Sounds too, okay? So I used to have like a mini keyboard where I would hit like the keyboard sounds and it would make some silly sound. So you could use your phone. You can also use, you know, if you have a tablet, you can hold up the tablet and you can use that for demonstration too. You can make Google Slides on the tablet and hold it on there, and you can tap and touch and show them. That's another thing that a lot of VIP Kids teachers use. What else is there? I think that's about it. If you guys have any questions, and also if you have any design issues or anything like that, I'm here. I can help. So just let me know.